Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying OTG support and gathering a good OTG adapter. This matters because some phones present power limits. Once confirmed, inspect pins and clean ports gently to ensure a reliable electrical contact. Next, plug the adapter into the host device first so the system recognizes accessory mode. Make sure the peripheral is compatible. USB flash drives, keyboards, and many controllers use standard protocols, because mismatched devices won't enumerate and you'll waste time diagnosing the wrong problem. Once the adapter and peripheral are connected, watch for the device notification and tap it to access options. You need to grant file or input permissions so the host can talk to the accessory. If the peripheral doesn't appear, open the file manager or relevant app and refresh. Some systems require you to choose between charge only, file transfer, or accessory mode. If a driver or protocol mismatch occurs, enable developer USB settings or USB debugging to get more diagnostic info and to force correct enumeration. To finish, always unmount or eject the peripheral through the notification area before unplugging. This prevents data loss on storage devices. If you use power-hungry accessories, add a powered USB hub so the host won't brown out. Once done, close apps that access the device to release resources. If things go wrong, no recognition or unstable connection, restart the host, reseat the OTG adapter, and try a different cable. That single step resolves most issues caused by negotiation or contact faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.